Good morning, guys. So right now it is about 10:30 and I'm going to get ready pretty soon. I'm going to go see my boyfriend and then I'm going to head on the road because I'm going back to school today. If you guys don't know, I go to school in Augusta, so it's about 2 hours from where I live. So I'm going to go see him and then I'm going to leave, and I'm really sad because this break has felt so short and it's been like 3 weeks, but okay, I'll be back at the end of the month. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash my face and do my hair because I'm looking a little rough right now, and then we're gonna go. Okay guys, so I just got out the shower, and as y'all can see, there's some stuff that I have to pack into my car, and still gotta get dressed and everything, do my hair, put on a little bit of makeup. But we're about to do that now. I'm about to do my hair because I'm pretty sure it looks a hot mess under here. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do my hair because it's probably gonna look a mess under here. So it's okay because we're just okay. Damn! A mess. So just gonna brush it out. So y'all can see how long it is. Yeah, this is the first thing that I do with my hair. I always just brush it out, make sure that there's no tangles or anything. And then I just flatten the top part because that's what it normally tends to like rise up a little. I don't normally wear a lot of makeup, but I'm gonna put a little bit on today because I'm feeling a little snazzy. So I normally just put on like concealer, just a little bit. And y'all, I am not a makeup expert, so please don't be like, Kyla, you know, you're not doing makeup right. I only put on a little bit of concealer, and please don't judge me on how I put my makeup on, y'all. I don't wear makeup. I don't know how to put on makeup. I just see some other people do it. And I know y'all are probably gonna bash me in the comments, be like, what the hell is she putting on her face? But I just like evening out my skin tone. Like, I don't like it looking like I have makeup on. Kind of like the no makeup look. But I'm sorry. I just don't, I don't know how to really put on makeup. So this is what you get. And I just do it to just cover like certain imperfections. And voila. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think I look pretty good. Y'all don't pay attention to my room, it's a mess right now. But look, that'll be on in a second. But right now it is 3:50 and I was supposed to get on the road at 3, so my parents are gonna probably barge in my room in a second, tell me that I need to leave, but I don't want to go back. I've been home for 3 weeks and it feels like it's been 2 days, but it's okay. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna just put my clothes on, show y'all the finished look, and then head on the road. Okay y'all, so this is the finished look. As y'all can see, I look like a better version of myself. And if you guys want the specifics on this hair, I will do a separate video for that. A lot of people have been telling me to do videos on how I do my hair because I am the one that does my own hair. So if anyone wants the details on that, just comment below. And I think that's it. So okay y'all, so I just left my house and I just talked to my parents and they said goodbye or whatever. And I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a little bit of the stuff that's packed up in my back seat. See the TV, but there's a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna have to get my friends to help me once I get into Augusta. So here's a little bit of the stuff that I bring back. Under that case of water is like a whole bunch of clothes. It's a tub full of clothes. In this tub I have a whole bunch of shoes and stuff, and here's all my beauty products and everything. And we haven't even gotten to the trunk, so just wait till y'all see that. And don't mind my floor, I need to vacuum it. But Crocs, I got breakfast stuff in there. I feel like this is like the college starter pack, like breakfast food and Crocs. Every college girl has one of these. I got big old tote full of clothes, a whole bunch of jeans. There's a whole bunch of clothes in here. There's my book bag. There's some more clothes back there. So if y'all know a model Honda Elantra, however big y'all know the trunk is, that's how much it's filled with groceries and all that stuff. And I guess it's about 2 hours, maybe 1 hour and 45, depending on how fast you're going. I speed, so I'll probably get there in like 1 hour and 50 minutes or something like that. But I'm not gonna get there till tomorrow, and that's I'm not gonna disclose the reason why I'm not gonna be there tomorrow, but I'm still gonna make it in time for class tomorrow. My first class tomorrow is at 11 a.m. so and it's bio, and as you guys know, bio is my major, so there's a lot riding on that. But right now I'm about to go see my boyfriend and say our goodbyes or whatever. Like, I've seen him every single day since I've been home, since the middle of December, so it's gonna be hard to not see him every day, but it's okay. But I'm gonna like try and film me unloading all my stuff and getting back into my room and try and get back into the swing of things tomorrow, because I know it's gonna be pretty tough. It's gonna be an adjustment, not just for not seeing my boyfriend every day, but like just getting back into like a school mindset. So that's gonna be a little different than what I've been used to for the past month, but it's like nothing I can't handle. I mean, I've been doing that my whole life, going on breaks and coming back to school. So yeah, but just wanted to let y'all know what I was doing. This sun is really hitting, like but y'all, just take an appreciation for my hair that I did myself. So, props to me. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna tune in tomorrow, guys, and stay tuned.